Hello guys, ayan, I have pancit. Ayan, I'm gonna share this to my coworker. And my coworker too, she have rice. And she have Sierra Leone African food. So let's go, let's eat. So it's not their break time yet, so I'm gonna go eat first. So I'm gonna heat this to the microwave. Ayan, let's go. Ayan, pansit. Bakit siya kulay green guys? So, see, bakit kulay may pagka-greenish yung pansit? Because I put something different that makes more healthier and more delicious. Ito na nga guys, I'm going to try the African food, and as always their food is always spicy. What's this? Is the skin? Spicy talaga. No rice for tonight. I mean, I have rice. They have rice. She have rice here. We always share food here at night time. So, yeah. Share. Everyone sharing. Let's eat, guys. Nagluto kasi ako. Pharmacy Filipino. So yeah, spicy. I think they're busy. So
Pino is up.
yeah. Rogi, you don't like my food?
No, I like the pancit. I'm gonna take it home.
Oh yeah.
But I wanna eat this one.
Okay.
But I'm gonna take the pancit home.
Solomon, you ate pancit.
Let me try it.
Yeah. Christian, you like the pancit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the pancit is very good.
2 3 bites I've tried.
Yeah. Try.
It's good, like
It tastes really good because
I cook it.
Is that chicken or what's that?
No, it's pork and shrimp. Pork and shrimp and vegetables. Yeah. Oh my god, it's yummy. I'm full.
You full?
Yeah. I ate Sierra Leone food. It's very spicy. She cook it, and her mother cook it very spicy. Hi, Mama. Tupia. See you later.